Hi and welcome back to Down the Shed with me, Jason. So in this video we're going to be looking at this horrible science explosive experiment. That was £4 in the charity shop. And
you just sort of shut it to a hot.
And £2.50 in the charity shop is this weird science exploding booms science set. So we'll have a look at one or two of the experiments in those. We'll probably do one or two more of the horrible science, because it does come with quite a nice nice pamphlet. It's well explained, as opposed to the weird science comes with a piece of paper. So anyway, in these two experiments, I can't remember which one it was, I think it was the better one of the two, came with this bag of sand. And we've got two of these volcanoes. So this one's a bit harder to open, so we'll start with this one. Let's get the sand before it spills everywhere into the tray. And we'll get our first volcano stuffed in. You can wet the sand to make it a bit more stiffer, but I think that's fine. So the Weird Science kit gave us baking soda, and the Horrible Science kit gave us sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is basically baking soda if you Google that. So at the start we'll use the washer of the two chemicals. So I've got a teaspoon measuring thing here. Let's take the cap off first actually. We'll see if we can get it to go through the funnel. So we want about a teaspoon, and we've got to be quick. Ooh. Don't really want to spill too much of this. So we'll try and get that in. There is some green food colouring in, and there's 60 millilitres of vinegar, malt vinegar already in both of these. Let's try and see if we can tap that down. And we won't try the other one with the old funnel anyway. Right, that'll do for that. Oh, there it goes already, and I've lost the lid now. Shit. There it is. Not very green, but that's how we're using Volcano. So that's the sodium hydrogen carbonate. Well, that vinegar stinks. They have only got a tiny hole in the top, but I was going to make it bigger, but I don't think there's any need to. Well, it's helping with that sand anyway. Right, looks like that's done. So I don't know whether adding more product or more vinegar would increase. So that looks like it's pretty much done. Unscrew the top. There's a little bit of fizzing going on inside, so we'll remove that one. And now we'll get this one into place, and this one's harder to do and undo. It's much tighter. It's the same 60 millilitres roughly of malt vinegar in that. So we'll get approximately a teaspoon of this one. And how we're going to get it in there I don't know yet. Making a bit of a mess of this. Let's get that lid on, I reckon we've got enough in there. Here it comes, I can see it. Oh, that was a bit more eruptive. I reckon the baking soda. It's better. That one's coming out greener as well with the food dye I put in them. Oh, that's a much better one. I reckon it must have been the product that gave a better reaction. That's really going for it. So that's Exploding Volcanoes. Subscribe and like the channel, leave your comments. I might give these another go actually. We'll try one with less vinegar, one with more vinegar, and we'll give them both, we'll find a way cramming down the powder quicker. There we go, it's croaking out now. Right, so that was fun. The other one's still blowing your bubble. We'll try some of the other kits in one of these. What have we got in that one? Mega Fizz inflating balloon, awesome exploding lunch pack, that's rubbish. Film canister rocket, we might give that a go. Water bomb balloons, rubbish. Fizzing bubble and lava, we might try that. So that's it for this one anyway. But yeah, so that was fun. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, comment.